Hey guys, welcome back. This tutorial will show you how to set up IPVanish VPN on your TP-Link X50. First, you'll need to go to your Deco app, hit More, scroll down and look for VPN. Go ahead and select that. Go ahead and select VPN client. I have a few VPN set up, so ignore those. We'll go ahead and hit the plus button. Then we'll select IPVanish. I'm assuming you already have an account, so we'll go ahead and sign in. It's really straightforward. And as you can see, I'm signed in on the Deco app now with my IPVanish VPN. I'll go ahead and select Australia, Sydney. Go ahead and save that. And now I'm going to switch to the IPVanish VPN client. And as you can see, it's connecting. It's going to take a few seconds and then it's going to show us connected. One important thing on the Deco app, you'll need to either assign specific clients that use this VPN connection, or you can set it up that all clients can use the VPN. I left it on client list. I've added my personal device, and now we'll go ahead and test to make sure that my IP is now located in somewhere in Sydney, Australia. And as you can see, it's showing that I'm located in Sydney, Australia, which is fantastic. That's exactly what we want. So hopefully this tutorial showed you guys how easy it is to set up IPVanish on the TP-Link X50. It also works on the 5G router. I'm not sure which other TP-Link versions, but if you guys found this video helpful, please consider giving a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video.